Alright guys, here with another video update review of Talstar Pro. Check that out. This stuff here I use around my house. My last video I showed you I use this stuff here, buck cutter backyard control. I spray this in my backyard. In my last video I showed you it's a wide spread of the backyard, the bushes, the trees, the grass, the lawn, the backyard, usually the front yard. This take care of the mosquitoes, ticks, and other insects in your backyard. So this stuff is like $9–10 on Amazon. I have a link in the box below. Get this at Lowe's, Home Depot too. Hook it up to your water hose like this. You tighten it. You pull this back. I cut the water hose off. You pull this back, and it will spray this chemical and mix with water onto everything that you have to keep mosquitoes at bay and ants and bugs like that. So I use this stuff in my backyard and front yard on the grass. I use this stuff here for my house and foundation. I use this stuff to spray my foundation, my steps, my windows, my doors. Pretty much do like a exterminator does to prevent stuff to get in the home, ants, whatever, spiders, spray spider webs. This stuff here is what I use. And this is called Talstar Pro. This is a pint. The pint is like $34. So this stuff is very expensive. It works though. It works, but it's kind of pricey. So I'll have the link below for this one below. But this is a chemical you can put down and use 1 ounce per 1 gallon of water. So I give me a gallon sprayer here. This is a gallon sprayer, like 12 bucks. Here's a gallon sprayer. So I put 1 ounce here. So I measured out here. I'll get 1 ounce here. I get 1 ounce. I'll pour the 1 ounce in here, fill it with water, shake it up, and I'll go spray my windows, doors. You can spray, I believe you can spray inside the home as well. I don't use it inside. I use it only outside, okay? I have some organic, so I'll put it outside. Inside the home, it's more organic. But this stuff here is mainly for the outside, okay? I use it outside only, okay? If you use it inside, look it up to the website and see if you use it inside. I think you can, but don't quote me on that. I'm not 100% sure. I use this mainly outside, okay? So this stuff here is more expensive. It works. And what you can do is, what I do now is I take this 1 ounce, 1 gallon of water, and I take a little of this, open the top, pour an ounce of this in the gallon sprayer as well. So I mean both of these together to make a stronger mix, as you say. It's to $10. This pint is $35. The bigger it is, the more it goes up in price. And this has lasted me, you know, I bought this last year. And I don't use it during the winter time as much. Excuse me. I use it mostly in the summertime, see the spiders and other insects out. I suggest get a 3 gallon sprayer, because this gallon sprayer won't do my whole house. Because I gotta refill it, pour another ounce in here. So you do 2 ounce per 2 gallons of water, or 3 ounces per 3 gallons of water. I get a 3 gallon sprayer, and you can do your whole house, or maybe a little bit in the backyard. But I use this stuff here for the house, for the outside only. I use it only for the outside. I don't use it inside. Only outside only. Okay. Like an exterminator, I spray everything, and it keeps everything at bay. I had an ant problem in my steps. I put this on. Yeah, that came back. But it came back probably a month later. So this stuff probably lasts, I think it lasts a little longer than a month, maybe a month and some change. I put this down once a month. So I put this the cutter bug spray control down. I put this down first, do my backyard, my grass, my bushes and trees. Then I'll mix, I have a little bit of this left. I'll mix it with this in the gallon sprayer, and I'll spray my house. I spray the windows, doors, cracks and crevices, little holes that you see around your home. And I'll spray the house, and I spray a little bit in the grass too. So it creates a barrier to get in my house, okay? So this stuff is really good. If you tired of paying someone for a service, I had a service coming out here, spraying my home, but I got tired of doing it, paying that money. I was paying about 40 bucks a month, and I could have spent $4 of that. Bought one of these, it'll last me almost a year. I could put it down myself, buy me a $20, 15 buck gallon sprayer, $10 butt cutter, and pretty much eradicate everything myself for almost 100 bucks, and I could do it all summer. So this stuff here is really good. I used it, it works. I have no problem with it. I spray on my trash can as well, and it keeps all the flies and all the garbage around my trash can. It keeps it away. So spray your trash can with this. You got flies in your trash can. So my trash can's outside. Spray in your trash cans. I spray inside and out of this stuff here. I use the butt cutter as well. I put the butt cutter outside and in, and when I'm doing this, I spray this outside and in to keep flies away from your trash can completely. So yeah, I say go ahead, cut your grass first. Try to catch a nice warm day to cut your grass. If it rains that day, I wouldn't do a day it rains. I do a cool day. Put the stuff down, let it set at least 30 minutes, and you're good to go. This is a lifesaver. This will save you money. I'm paying the orchid man, and the orchid man doesn't spray your yard. Only they spray is inside and outside your home. And I was paying $40 for that, but I'm still getting bit by mosquitoes every other day, and that stuff they put down don't work all the time. So I'd rather do it myself. I know it's done right. I do it myself. It works, and there's no mosquitoes in the backyard. That's my review. Thanks for watching my videos. If you want to pick this up, or the gallon sprayer, or the butt cutter, I have a video below. It's hot out here. I'm sweating. But yeah, this is good for summertime. During the winter, I might skip a month because it's super cold outside. There's not a lot of bugs out. There's no mosquitoes out. So I'll rack up on cutter, the backyard bug control. I'll rack up on that. I'll leave 3 bottles to spray June, July, August. I might spray one September, October, but around that time of the year, mosquitoes start to die down because it's getting cooler outside. It might spring up too, but I don't put it down in the winter because I don't see a lot of bugs. So yeah, it's up to you. If you see bugs in your house, put it down. If you don't see them, don't put it down. I mean, summertime I put it down because it's hot outside. When it's super cold, like 30 degrees, you're not going to see much, in my opinion, you're not going to see much bugs in your house. But this stuff here works. Southern States has this as well. Amazon, I have a link to Amazon below. Only Home Depot and Lowe's sell this. You gotta get this online or through a certain store. But the bug cutter, you find that Lowe's, Home Depot, Amazon, Southern States, and it's pretty used. It's pretty good stuff. You can mix it, and if you find some other products, mix it also. I mean, make a strong mix so there's no bugs around your house. This is stuff to save you money, and I have a link below the video. So my name is Todd at sking.com. Thanks for watching my video. Please like the video, share the video, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I'll see you next time.